Okay, today I'm going to do a follow-up video on displaying barometric pressure and air temperature using the Arduino dongle. In the previous video we used OpenCPN, and today we're going to use the equally fabulous qtVlm. qtVlm required the addition of one more NMEA sentence. It is an XDR air temperature sentence to allow it to be displayed in the program. So let's move over to qtVlm and see if we can't get this hooked up. Okay, so I'm using qtVlm 64-bit 5.11-2-P1, and I'm now on a Mac Mini running Mac OS Ventura 13.3.1. So the first thing I'm going to do, we have 4 instruments over here already hooked up: sea temperature, depth, speed over ground, course over ground. I'm just going to start the NMEA feed and get these hooked up. So I see depth coming in, temperature, and I also see some GPS coming in. So if I actually click on this, I should see, okay, I can see the GPS is coming in. Excellent. So the first thing we need to do to get the barometric pressure and temperature, air temperature hooked up, is we're going to add 2 more instruments over here. I'll just go over to boat settings, other settings, under general and units. I can switch between imperial and metric. I'll go over to imperial today. This is one nice feature in this program. In OpenCPN, you're going to have to actually alter the sentences. The next thing we'll do is we'll go up to instruments. I'm going to go under instruments here. I'm going to add air temperature, and I'm going to add pressure. Then I will go over to NMEA connections, and I'm going to add the USB dongle. I want serial port 2, and it is in fact on 2140. So you'll notice on the other side here, this is your NMEA filtering. So I can filter any of the NMEA messages that I want. I'm just going to leave them all coming in for now. I'll go OK, and I will go OK. So if we look over here, it should take a few seconds, and here we go. We have got our barometric pressure coming in and our air temperature in Fahrenheit. So one nice addition to this program is if you want to see a histogram, you just long press on your instrument here, and it will bring up your histogram. And again, to just long press down, and air temperature as well. And there you go. So here's just a brief look at displaying air temperature and pressure in qtVlm. I will follow up with another video shortly.